Hi guys, today we will see how to install Canon MG2570S. This is pretty tricky on Windows 10, so this is the printer you are talking about. So just search for the driver first. So just type Windows 10 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit, so you can use whatever the version you using. So this site is a lot of sites there, so I'm just looking for a easiest site to explain you guys. So this is full installer. Yes, this is look pretty easy. I think every site's offering. Yeah, you see I already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download again. So after download, here's the file. So go to the file and open this app. So before that you have to do like a printer and a scanner. Go to printer and scanners and just remove this whatever the Canon device showing here. So this is already showing here, but if you not install the driver properly, it will show like driver missing or something like that. So just remove device before run that. So just remove everything like Canon name. So okay, after that make the install. So next, so these things everybody know how to do. So the tricky part is yeah, we removed that printer from the device list, so that's the only thing we have to do. So I'm just gonna add my drivers, only drivers. So just click next. Yes. So this install time, we are not connected to any cable or power to our printer, so just like we are installing the software only. So turn on the printer. So make sure nothing showing here, like so it's showing like, you know, plug the USB to device system and the one to printer and turn on. So just now I'm doing this everything, and you can see after power on it's showing like printer detected. So it will take like few seconds and it will get installed. So never on the switch on the printer. Oh yeah, you see this is printer like one, so no need these things. So I'm not gonna go to survive problem. So yeah, so don't on your printer before install the driver. So yeah, you can see is the manager, and you can, and this is already installed, so I'm just doing my setups. So thank you guys, and if you have any doubts, just comment below. Thank you guys, subscribe.